Hi everyone, so in this video I just want to give a quick close-up visual of my hair. So my hair is going to be 2 months on the 16th of March. We are currently on the 4th of March, so not too bad, not too far from there. It's almost 2 months, and my hair, I feel like it's looking quite a lot like locks. So I'm just going to give you a close visual. I'm still getting a lot of freeze action going on here, but yeah, just want a texture shot for you and also for me in the progress of my hair journey. So at the top here, because of postpartum shedding and stuff, I have lost a lot of hair. So I have a lot of little hair on the side of my hair. Can you see? And I have lost quite a lot of shedding all over my hair in general. So if you see, you can see a lot of hair just ending here, and the rest of it just looks not too bad, but a lot of hair here. And I think this is the hair that have grown after my hair shedding, because my daughter will be 2 July, so she's 1 year plus. So I'm just literally just coming out of hair shed. If you want a video on how I sorted out my hair loss journey and shortened it, let me know. But that video is really good, but give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment and I'll create a video dedicated to that. That's really it. I definitely noticed a lot. My hair has become much thicker compared to before I washed my hair for the first time, and after I did my first retightening, it was quite a bit, but I have definitely seen volume on my hair, and this is hair in just 2 months. The volume is clear. I'm rocking it. I'm enjoying it. I really love my hair, honestly. The frizz was really bad just 1 month ago, but I'm kind of embracing it and it's not bad. I like it. Anyway, let me know if you have any other video suggestion about my hair, and I'll be happy to make it. But this texture though, I love it. It's so nice. I have a lot of shrinkage going on, a lot of shrinkage. Anyway, that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll probably do a lot of texture shots just to see the difference as my hair progresses, maybe every 3 months or every 2 months, because I know locks throughout the first phase, in the first year or the first 2 years of your log journey, you're going to experience a lot of changes. So I am quite interested to see how it goes. So let me know if you like that, but I would love to see just texture shot for the first 2 years of my hair. So I'll try to do that as frequent as I can. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.